Welcome back to Admin Skills Academy. If you're just joining us, we're on a journey to mastering Linux system administration, one video at a time. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming lessons. Today, we're diving into a crucial step in your Linux journey: choosing and installing a Linux distribution. With hundreds of distributions available, each with its unique strengths, it can be overwhelming to make a choice. But don't worry, we're here to help you make an informed decision. Before you choose a distribution, it's essential to identify your needs. Are you looking for a user-friendly interface for everyday use, or do you need a secure and stable server environment? Maybe you want to dive into programming or data science. Different distributions cater to different needs, so identifying your objectives is the first step. Let's consider a few popular distributions. Ubuntu is known for its user-friendly interface. Fedora is loved for its latest software packages. Debian is revered for its stability, and CentOS is often the choice for server environments. We will dive deeper into the strengths and unique features of these distributions in future videos. Once you've chosen your distribution, the next step is installation. In this video, we will provide a general guide for installing most Linux distributions, but remember, the specific process can vary. Always refer to the official documentation of your chosen distribution for the most accurate instructions. That's all for today's lesson. Up next, we'll dive right into using Linux, starting with a tour of the Linux desktop environment. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with friends who are also beginning their Linux journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.